Now I will instruct you on how to add sales channel to prepare for launching your store. You might just want to open your store to the world as soon as your domain is connected. A Shopify launch checklist can help you make sure that everything is functioning as it should before launching your store. Let's see how to add sales channel. The good news is that you may leverage different sales channels and reach your client where they are by using Shopify in addition to building an internet store. You can keep track easily of all your item inventory and report in one location so that you are constantly aware of the state of your company. Now let's move on to setting and choose the section App and Sales Channel. From here, App and Sales Channel add feature and tool that take your business to the next level. So you can choose from thousands of free or paid apps to find what works for you. Here you see App and Sales Channel. To explore the Shopify App Store, click on the button here. Now you see there are a lot of apps here, so you can easily add them. You see there are many app and sales channels you can choose from. Here, there are some prominent channels you should check out. First, social network like this one and here. You can sell your product directly on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest. Then you can see the Google channel. You may launch your Google shopping campaign through Google channel and list your product for free in the shopping tab of Google search result. When you see Shopify POS unify your online and retail store for strengthened self-conversion everywhere you sell. Streamline store management and help you build stronger relationship with your customer. For example, you choose Google channel, click on it and add app. Wait for a second. With this app, you can drive sales and reach more customers. Now you connect to your Google account, then here you go. You can see your Google channel and what's added here. No matter how successful your store is now, you might find a variety of apps and Shopify Marketplace to enhance it. Go to App and Sales Channel in your main domain in your admin panel to examine your options. You can be sure to find an app in the app collections that suit your requirement, whether they are referral programs, monthly payment calculations, monthly budget calculations, email list building, social media advertising, or upselling and cross-selling. Well, that is the end of this lesson. Hope that after this video, you might know more about how to add sales channel to drive your store. Let's move on to the next phase and prepare for the launch of your store.